Hi Adarsh.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
What do you have in your dinner?
Chapati
Hmm.
and peach color tomato.
Tomato and
Yes.
chapati.
Yes.
How is chapati?
Yummy.
Yummy. What Shreya is doing?
She's making that.
Hi Shreya.
Hi.
What are you doing, beta?
I'm making this beet and making roti.
Huh.
You will also make roti. That's why I'm also making.
Oh.
First we have to do like this.
Huh.
Then we should add oil
Huh.
and we have to roll it.
Huh. Then after
That's the
that,
process.
roast.
And roast we have to do and we should eat. That is the process of the roti.
Okay. You want to prepare your own chapatis?
Yes.
You don't want to eat mine? I prepared for you.
No, I'll eat yours.
Huh.
You eat mine.
Okay.
I'll also eat mine.
Yeah.
But you have to also eat yours. Okay? Bye.
I have to eat mine.
Yes. You eat mine also?
Huh.
Pani puri we ate just
Okay.
now.
Okay.
Pani puri.
Hmm.
Bye. See you. Bye bye everyone. See you. Love you. Heart.
What is this, beta? This is yours. What happened then? Why it's pending? You don't want to? Why?
This is
Sticky, sticky.
yes.
Okay. But you tried. Huh? To make dough.
No.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good job. Keep it up, beta.
Kunku sete?
Are you rolling, Shreya?
Yes.
What is the next process?
In that we should put in this pan.
And roast.
Yes.
What, Shreya?
Triangle shape.
This is triangle.